Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, please do subscribe and please do comment. So guys, it seems like Musa Khawula is not afraid of anyone because he's relaxed whenever he says things on Twitter. Even when people come after him, he's like, is that a threat? And then that's it. So people in the comment section went on to saying that Hai Musa Khawula vele ukhangani vele, he is not afraid of anyone. So guys, the reason why I'm saying this is because Musa Khawula posted and said, okay, Tira. Until then, let's talk about the Retabile Khumalo was still signed to your record label Afrotainment, and you solicited sex while your wife Gugu Kat was sitting foolishly in the next room. Also, happy birthday to your wife Gugu Kat, who cheated on you with Tebo from Kwela Tebza. And then Tira went on to responding, Etiwe, one day is one day. With that, guys, Musa Khawula posted again. Whatever Tira said sounded like a threat. And guys, Tira went on to saying, Ufunani kimi ngempela, ngeke iphele kahle lento. That's when Musa Khawula went on to saying that sounded like a threat to him. So guys, Musa Khawula is out there like doing whatever he wants to do, saying whatever he wants to say. Okay, he is no more scared of a lawsuit or anything like that. Like, utwona, bring it on if you want to bring it on. I'm ready. But anyway, guys, please do comment below and please do subscribe.